Rural development. Dear children, in this chapter we will study about meaning and importance, decentralization, role of Panchayat Raj institutions and women in development. In this capsule, we shall study about meaning and importance. India is a land of villages. 68.84% of the population lives in villages. One third of this population lives in abject poverty. Therefore, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said long ago that development of its villages is the true development of India. The development techniques that the Indian government adopted after independence enabled only urban development. Industries developed in the cities and the cities expanded. However, rural industries started getting extinct and the rural people began to migrate to cities. Due to liberalization and globalization, the industry and service sector, which made use of the latest technology, expanded very rapidly. The job opportunities in these sectors are available mainly to the urban people. The cities are enjoying ultra-modern lifestyles. Poverty has increased among the rural people who depend primarily on agriculture. Under the onslaught of modernization, rural cottage industries are vanishing, unable to withstand the competition. Though 60% of the people work in the primary sector, the contribution from this sector to the national income is very less and is reducing year by year. Due to this, the gap between urban and rural areas is increasing gradually. If this imbalance has to be got rid of and overall development of the country has to be achieved, there is a dire necessity of developing the rural areas first. Dear children, let us know about meaning and importance of rural development. The phrase rural development has a broad meaning. In addition to development of agriculture and agriculture-based activities, it encompasses extended development of housing, education, health, hygiene, transport, communication and other essential social and economic amenities, creation of employment opportunities, social welfare, etc. The Rural Development Project very ambitiously envisages improving the standard of living of farmers, agricultural laborers, and people belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward classes. To put it briefly, rural development is improvement of the social and economic status of the rural people by proper utilization of the locally available natural and human resources. Now, we will study about importance of rural development. Rural development occupies a very important place in the development of the Indian economy. The majority of the population lives in the villages and is plagued by problems of poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, ill health, lack of basic amenities, etc. These problems should be tackled through rural development, and rural India should be empowered. Various basic facilities like education, training, health, etc. should be provided to the rural people, and their knowledge, skills and capability to work should be enhanced. In addition to agriculture, cattle rearing, fishery, silk farming, poultry and other farming related activities should be promoted, through which agriculture can become a profitable and attractive occupation. Through such measures, the migration of rural people to cities can be avoided. A deplorable lack of basic amenities can be noticed in rural areas. The rural people should be provided with essential facilities like electricity, irrigation, transport, communication, market yards, etc. And their productivity should be augmented. Instead of sending the raw agricultural produce to the cities and selling them, they can be processed in the village itself and transformed into ready goods, thereby enhancing their value. As a result of this, not only will the villagers get more employment opportunities, but their income will also increase. Small scale and cottage industries can be improved, thereby strengthening the rural economy. A system wherein agricultural laborers, poor people, people belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and other backward classes are assured of continued employment opportunities has to be created in the rural areas. The facilities and opportunities that are available to people in urban areas should be available to people in rural areas too. The villagers should be able to participate in the process of development. The benefits of development should be available equally to them too. This has to be achieved through rural development. Think and answer. What percent of Indian population lives in rural India? The answer is one third or 68.84% of Indian population lives in rural India. Why did the rural people migrate to cities? The answer is rural industries started getting extinct and the rural people began to migrate to cities. Pair up. What did Mahatma Gandhi ji quote over development of villages? The answer is the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said long ago that development of its villages is the true development of India. What does rural development encompasses? The answer is rural development encompasses development of agriculture and agriculture based activities, development of housing, education, health, hygiene, transport, communication and other essential social and economic amenities, creation of employment opportunities, social welfare, etc. Dear children, in this capsule we studied meaning and importance of life of rural people, their problems and measures for the development of rural economy. Important questions are: what enabled urban development in India? How did the cities get expanded? What is the effect of liberalization and globalization on industries? Discuss the objectives of rural development project. How can the rural economy be strengthened? Here are some important keywords. Abject means miserable. Techniques, method or procedure. Onslaught, violent or intense. Vanishing means disappear. Plagued, negative impact or spread of negative thing. Empowered, to give power or authority. Here are few extended activities. Visit a nearest village and collect the information related to the cottage industries. Collect the pictures of various cottage and small scale industries. Thank you.